Let's go, boys and girls. Today we're going to learn more words. So let's look at our goals again. I am going to say the word. That means you will listen to the word, like the word said. Then you will say it and I'll be quiet. Once you say the word, you're going to read it in a sentence like the word said. For example, today she said no. And say it like talking. Today she said no. Once you've read the word in a sentence like talking, you're going to write it as quickly as you can. And as you write each word, you're going to say each word. Saying each word helps you to think about the word while you write it. So here are our goals. Listen to the word, say it, read it in a sentence, and write it as quickly as you can, saying each word while you write it. So listen, say it, read it, write it. Get your mouth ready. First word, feet. Feet. Now you say it, and I'll be quiet. I will read the word in a sentence like talking. Your feet are different from mine. You read it like talking. Now get ready to write the sentence quickly, saying each word while you write it. Her feet are different from mine. Now say it like talking. Her feet are different from mine. Get your mouth ready. Next word, land. Land. Now you say it, and I'll be quiet. Next, I will read the sentence like talking. She said the land is very large. You read it like talking. Now write the sentence quickly, saying each word while you write it. She said the land is very large. Let's read it like talking. She said the land is very large. Get your mouth ready. Listen. Next word. Without. Without. Now you say it and I'll be quiet. Now I will read the sentence like talking. They could die without air. You read it like talking. Get ready to write the sentence quickly, saying each word while you write it. They could die without air. Let's read that like talking. They could die without air. Get your mouth ready. Next word, listen. Side. Side. Now you say it and I'll be quiet. Next, I will read the word in a sentence like talking. Write the number on this side. You read it like talking. Now let's write the sentence quickly, saying each word while you write it. Write the number on this side. Let's read that like talking. Ready? Write the number on this side. Get your mouth ready. Next word, listen. Boy. Boy. Now you read it, and I'll be quiet. Now I will read the word in a sentence like talking. Which boy found this great toy shop? Now you read it like talking. Get ready to write the sentence quickly, saying each word while you write it. Which boy found this great toy shop? Let's read that like talking. Which boy found this great toy shop? Get your mouth ready. Next word, listen. Once. Once. Now you say it and I'll be quiet. Now I will read the word in a sentence like talking. They went slowly downstairs once. You read it like talking. Now get ready to write the sentence quickly, saying each word while you write it. Stretch it out. They went slowly downstairs once. Now let's read that like talking. They went slowly downstairs once. Get your mouth ready. For the next word, listen. Animal. Animal. Now you say it. Now be quiet. Now I will read the word in a sentence like talking. Please choose the animal on the right. Now you read it like talking. Get ready to write the sentence quickly, saying each word while you write it. Stretch it out. Please choose the animal on the right. Now let's read that like talking. Please choose the animal on the right. Get your mouth ready. Next word. Listen. Life. Life. Now you say it and I'll be quiet. Now I will read the word in a sentence like talking. You have had a good life. You read it like talking, nice and loud. Now get ready to write the sentence quickly, saying each word while you write it. You have, stretch it out, had a good life. Now let's say that sentence like talking. You have had a good life. Get your mouth ready. For the next word, listen. Enough. Enough. Now you say it and I'll be quiet. Now I will read the word in a sentence like talking. He is not old enough to drive a car. You read it like talking. Now get ready to write the sentence quickly, saying each word while you write it. He is not old enough to drive a car. Let's read that like talking. He is not old enough to drive a car. Get your mouth ready. Listen, next word. Took. Took. Now you say it, and I'll be quiet. Now I will read the word in a sentence like talking. You took him to school too early. You read it like talking. Get ready to write this sentence quickly, saying each word while you write it. You took him to school too early. Now let's read the sentence like talking. You took him to school too early. Get your mouth ready for more words. See you next time.